the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. In this episode,
I'll be dealing with anatomy subject. In that, Unit 1, Introduction to the Concept of Anatomy.
if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and for the notification, please press bell icon. Let's start. Classification of tissue. First we'll see about the definition of tissue. Tissue is a collection of cells which have similar structure and perform relatively common functions. Next we'll see about the classification of tissues. Mainly there are 4 classifications are there. First one epithelial tissues, second one connective tissues, third one muscular tissues and the fourth one nervous tissues. This is about a classification of tissues. Next question, simple squamous epithelium. So first we'll see about the introduction about simple squamous epithelium. It is a irregular flat cells with height less than width, mainly located in esophagus, alveoli of the lungs and blood vessels. We'll see about the functions of simple squamous epithelium. First one, protect the underlying tissues from injury and germs. Second one, exchange of gases in lungs and materials between cells and blood. So this much about simple squamous epithelium. Next question, histology of cartilage. It is a smooth bluish white tissue. The principal type in cartilage is the chondrocytes. The chondrocytes are arranged in small groups within the cell nest and matrix is solid and smooth. Types of cartilage, hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage and elastic cartilage. So this is about a histology of cartilage. Next question, characteristics of tissues. Cells are the body's smallest functional units. They are grouped together to form tissues, each of which has specialized functions. For example, blood, muscle. Tissue are grouped together to form organ. Example, heart, stomach. The study of the tissue is called as histology. Next we'll see about the function. First one, supports and protects body organ. Second one, removes waste as sweat in skin. Third one, gives mechanical support. So these were the characteristics of tissues. Next question, types of connective tissues. It is most abundant tissue in the body. Mainly there are 2 types were there in the connective tissues. First one, loose connective tissue. Second one, dense connective tissue. We'll see about first one, loose connective tissue. Again it is classified 3 types. First one, areolar tissue. Second one, adipose tissue. And third one, myxomatous tissue. Next, second type is an dense connective tissue. This is again classified as 2 types. First one is a cartilage. Second one is a bone. So this was a types of connective tissues. Next question, parts of mitochondria. So first you have to draw a diagram. In that, first part is an outer membrane, inner membrane, cristae, matrix and outer compartment. So these were the parts of mitochondria. Next question, structure of cell. First you have to draw the diagram of cell. Then you have to mark rough endoplasmic reticulum, polyribosomes, nuclear pores, centriole, lysosome, Golgi body, mitochondrion, ribosomes, nucleus, chromatin, vacuole, plasma membrane, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, this is about a structure of cell. about today's episode. If you are liked with the topic, please like the video. If you have any doubt, please comment me on a comment box. If you are not subscribed with the channel, please subscribe the channel, and for the further notification, please press bell icon. Thank you.